How to reset password on WhatsApp Business. Logged out of WhatsApp Business? Here's how to reset your password quickly and easily. First, open the app and click on Forgot PIN. When prompted for verification, choose to receive a reset link to your email that's linked with your WhatsApp account. Open the email and click on the reset link to create a new PIN. On set, return to WhatsApp Business and log in with the new PIN to regain access. Use an email you check frequently so you can reset quickly if you forget again. Have you ever forgotten your PIN before? Tell us how you handled it in comments below. And that's how you can reset password on WhatsApp Business. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.